We have had a long-standing partnership with the Homeless Garden Project, and our partnership with them has been hugely beneficial. I can't say enough good things about it. The Gemma Transitional House provides a safe, structured, sober living environment for women post-incarceration to re-enter their communities with support from the Gemma Transitional House and staff. We are also a recipient of the Homeless Garden Project's Community Supported Agricultural Program, so the CSA. So during the summer months, we receive local, sustainable, and organic produce from the Homeless Garden Project, and the residents incorporate this wonderful produce into their weekly dinners. So every night, the residents cook a meal, and they integrate the fresh produce into their meals. And all of the residents here at Gemma are healing from traumas associated with homelessness, with incarceration, with substance abuse, and a variety of other traumas. And part of the healing process means taking care of your body and mind by nourishing it with healthy food and healthy living.